going to be learning about AWS Cloud Adoption Framework. So let's begin. First, a quick introduction. The Cloud Adoption Framework is a quick proliferation of digital technologies that have accelerated change and increased competition. Sustaining any particular competitive advantage has become difficult over time, and therefore enterprises are being forced to recreate themselves. For example, 50% of companies on the S&P 500 are projected to be replaced within the next decade. One's ability to effectively leverage the cloud to digitally transform, or their cloud readiness, is supported by a set of foundational organizational abilities. AWS CAF locates these capabilities and gives customized guidance that thousands of organizations around the world have successfully used to accelerate their own cloud transformation journeys. AWS and the partner network provide resources that can help each step of the way. AWS's professional services is a worldwide team of professionals that provide assistance through a collection of AWS CAF aligned offerings that can help you achieve desired outcomes. So here's the table of contents for what we will discuss today. First, what is the Cloud Adoption Framework? What are its benefits? How it works? And lastly, its use cases. So first, what is Cloud Adoption Framework? AWS Cloud Adoption Framework is a framework that helps organizations efficiently relocate to AWS. It's used to identify organizational capabilities that could improve cloud readiness, and its capabilities are in the following areas: business, people, governance, platform, security, and operations. So let's discuss these 6 capabilities. First, business. The Cloud Adoption Frameworks helps to make sure that cloud investments accelerate digital transformation ambitions and business results. The following are common stakeholders: CEO, CFO, COO, CIO, and the CTO. Next, the Cloud Adoption Framework acts as a connection between technology and business and quickens the cloud journey to help organizations evolve. It can help invent a culture of continuous growth and learning, where change becomes normal for the business. It also can help you focus on the culture, organizational structure, leadership, and workflow. Common stakeholders include the CIO, COO, CTO, cloud director, and cross-functional and enterprise-wide leaders. Next, governance and platform. So this Cloud Adoption Framework can help you coordinate certain cloud initiatives, as well as maximize organizational benefits and minimize transformation-related risks. The common stakeholders include the Chief Transformation Officer, CIO, CTO, CFO, Chief Data Officer, and Chief Risk Officer. Next, platform. The Cloud Adoption Framework helps build an enterprise-grade, scalable, hybrid cloud platform, and it can modernize existing workloads, as well as apply new cloud-native solutions. The common stakeholders include the CTO, technology leaders, architects, and engineers. And lastly, security and operations. So the Cloud Adoption Framework helps achieve confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and cloud workloads. Some common stakeholders include the CISO, CCO, internal audit leaders, security architects, and engineers. And lastly, it can help guarantee that cloud services are delivered at a level that meets the needs of your business. And common stakeholders include infrastructure and operations leaders, site reliability engineers, and information technology service managers. Here's a diagram with all the cloud readiness for each of the 6 capabilities. Next, benefits. So the cloud adoption framework can lower business risk by improving reliability, performance, and security. It can boost efficiency by lowering costs and bettering productivity. It can increase revenue by creating products and services that can reach customers. And it can improve government and social relations by improving transparency and corporate truth. Next, how it works. So first, envision. The cloud adoption framework identifies and prioritizes opportunities in line with a business's strategic objectives, associating transformation initiatives with key stakeholders and measurable outcomes will help show value as you progress through the cloud transformation journey. Next, align. You can identify capability gaps and cross-organizational dependencies, and therefore you can improve your cloud readiness, ensure stakeholder alignment, and facilitate relevant organizational change management activities. Launch. This is where you will deliver pilots and products and demonstrate incremental business value. The pilots should be highly impactful as they influence future direction, and learning from these pilots will help change your approach before scaling to full production. Next, scale. This is where you grow pilots and business value to the desired scale that you are looking for, and you ensure that the business's benefits associated with the cloud investments are fully realized. And lastly, the use cases. So there are 4 main use cases. First, technology. You can relocate and modernize legacy infrastructure applications and data and analytics platforms. The cloud value benchmarking shows that relocating leads to a 27% reduction in cost per user, a 58% increase in virtual machines managed per admin, a 57% decrease in downtime, and a 34% decrease in security incidents. Next, process. You can digitize, automate, and optimize all your business operations, and this also could include using new data and analytics platforms for more actionable insights. You can also use machine learning to improve your customer service experience and employee productivity and decision making, business forecasting, fraud detection and prevention, and your industrial operations. Next, organization. You can reimagine how your business and technology teams create customer value, and you can help meet strategic intent. Organizing your teams around products and value streams while leveraging agile methods to quickly change and evolve can help you become more responsive and customer centric. And lastly, the product. You can reimagine your business model by making new value propositions and revenue models. The cloud value benchmarking shows that adopting AWS can lead to a 37% reduction in time to market for new features and applications, a 342% increase in code deployment frequency, and a 38% reduction in the time it takes to deploy that new code. So in conclusion, as technological innovation continues to grow, the need for continuous digital transformation will become even more apparent. Therefore, CAF utilizes AWS's experience and best possible practices in order to help you quicken your business outcomes through the innovative use of AWS and utilizing the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework to identify and prioritize transformation opportunities, evaluate and improve your business's cloud readiness, as well as iteratively evolve the business's transformation roadmap. So all of these information that you found in this presentation was gathered from this link, which will be linked in the description below of the video for further information if you are curious. As always, we hope you learned something, and we'll look forward to seeing you again next week. Thank you.